I have just 2 subscribers. Yes, 2 beautiful subscribers. But you know what? I'm not embarrassed at all about it because in the next 30 days, I'll be growing this channel into a level that is unexpected. And I want to take you on this journey. For 30 days, I'll be growing this channel. Welcome to Create with Eliana. In this channel, I'm sharing YouTube growth strategies, YouTube tips that will help in growing channels. And you know what? I'll be documenting my journey from scratch till monetization. I'll be documenting what works for me, what doesn't work, my failures, and my success. And I know you'll be interested to know how small channels can actually pick up from just 2 subscribers to a great height. Come with me. I'll be posting 1 long-form video, 2 short-form videos for every week for the next 30 days. It's kind of stressful, right? But we can work it out. Something can be done. Right now, I have just 2 subscribers. No viral video. No viral video. Just 2 subscribers. And that's not an issue, right? Because we are going on a journey and we will get it right. And for these videos, I'll be focusing on clickable thumbnails, clickable titles. I'm just letting you know what I'll be experimenting. These are the things I'll be experimenting on this channel. And I'm going to be using topics that people are already searching for. That's my strategy. I hope it will work. I don't know, but we'll get to see in the next 30 days. Well, in the next 30 days, I'm not expecting 1 million subscribers. I'm not expecting 1 million views. But I know that gradually, one step at a time, we'll be growing together. That's what I'm expecting anyway. I'll be sharing everything about my journey, my wins, my mistakes, my numbers, everything. And I know you will be glad to join me. So, if you are trying to grow your YouTube channel, click the subscribe button so we can grow together. And in the next 30 days, I will come back and give an update of how far this journey has been. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. See you in my next video. Bye.